Greetings from California. Like, what an entrance. We just arrived during Mickey's Mix Magic, and we are here at the Disneyland Hotel.
Yay.
Very exciting. We saw the spotlights going off, cannot wait to see this show. But we are finally back in California. Very exciting. We were supposed to be here in May, that didn't happen, but now we are here. So we have 3 days in the parks. We're gonna get to see Avengers Campus. We're gonna see Mickey's Mix Magic. I just saw a Mickey-shaped firework.
That's cute.
I like it. I'm very we're staying at the Disneyland Hotel.
Yeah, I'm so excited because last time, well, for my first trip to Disneyland, we stayed at the Hilton, which was really, really close. But I've always wanted to stay like at least one Disneyland, like.
Yeah, so I've stayed here one. Oh, finale. But yeah, I stayed at the Disneyland Hotel once, and I stayed at the Grand Californian once, and they're both amazing. But Amanda hasn't, so it's gonna be a first for her. We're here with my family for the weekend, because this was kind of the last segment of our Aulani trip that didn't happen. So we, thanks to Amanda and my brother being cast members, we were able to get a good deal for a 3-bedroom here at the Disneyland Hotel.
Yeah, they had like 50% off rooms for Disneyland.
So we're gonna go do a room tour, and then we're probably gonna head over to Downtown Disney because I want to see if they have the Halloween stuff.
Yeah.
Because I want the Spirit jersey that keeps selling out in Florida. So we may walk over to World Disney because it's only like 9 o'clock.
I know,
so
yeah.
It's open till midnight. We have plenty of time to explore Downtown Disney, and then we'll have our early morning tomorrow in the parks. Yeah, we may go to bed a little early. But yeah, very excited to be here. Welcome to our 3-bedroom connecting suite in the Disneyland Hotel. First I want to show this incredible It's a Small World like Mary Blair carpet. So this is new, they just redid the carpet in the hotel before we opened. But there's 2 doors, so this is for one of the bedrooms that has 2 beds. And then the double door goes into 2 separate rooms. So it's definitely different than like the Grand Villas that we've been to. Because it's, yeah. Okay. But it's just like lots of different doors to get into the various rooms. So now we can go into the room on the left that has the kitchen area and the living room, and the room to the right is just a bedroom with a desk and everything. So we'll start over here.
It's missing its cover.
Uh-oh. Here we have the first of the 3 bedrooms. So this is the largest of the 3. Have a little closet. I don't know what's in here. Oh, so just a closet with some pillows and blankets. A bathroom, which is pretty large, but no shower in here. And we are in the Frontier Tower, so there's all different artwork for Frontierland. Then we have the kitchen. So there's no oven or anything that we have in the villas because this is not a villa, but you do still have tons of counter space. So, and a fridge, which is nice. This Keurig in my apartment. Yeah, fancier Keurig than what's in the other rooms. That's cool. And I love the artwork of the old boats that were retired. And the golden horseshoe, so that's cool. So definitely a much bigger kitchen than I expected considering you can't actually cook. And we have some Big Thunder Mountain art, and then a pretty large living room. The only complicated thing is like you have to go into the 1 bedroom to get to it. So it's definitely kind of a strange layout. But we have 3 nice seats here at the bar, so definitely plenty of room for lounging because you can sleep plenty of people in the 3-bedroom units. I love the little Mickey lights. So then here is bedroom number 1. Which I see the Disneyland sign through the curtains, but we have a chair in here with some artwork of the riverboat, and then a king-size bed with, of course, the iconic Disneyland Hotel headboard with the castle and the fireworks, which you can turn off, and it plays a little song when you turn it on. Oh, and then there's Walt with Sleeping Beauty Castle. So that's super cool. And it looks like there's a sliding closet here with a double vanity, and then the second bathroom, which has the shower tub. This is all bedroom number 1. Amanda just reminded me to point out how the lamps here, which I remember from when I stayed here before, are Mickey's hand holding it.
And there's Mickey's on the faucet.
Wow, we love the details. As we were walking through the living room, I also want to point out how the carpet in here changed as well. So this was also replaced during the pandemic, and instead of the Mary Blair carpet in the hallway, this is all different fireworks with hidden Mickeys. So it's adds a lot to the room. I think it looks very nice. Here is a view from our balcony. So we have 2 tables, 2 chairs and a table. It's very dark, so it's kind of hard to see. But it's a pretty exciting view. So we got Paradise Pier Hotel right there, and then I'll try to zoom in as I'm kind of going through stuff. But we can see the Silly Symphony swings from Paradise Gardens, right next to next to Pixar Pier, and then you can see the mountains of Cars Land to the left of it. We can see the back side of Goofy's Sky School, and then I see another blinking ride to the right of the Silly Symphony swings, but I can't tell what it is. Oh, and I just saw a roller coaster vehicle go by, so that's cool. And then we have Grand Californian directly in front of us, and you can see the top of Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout as well. So we can see a good amount of California Adventure from here, which is pretty cool. And then we have a second balcony from the second bedroom that we'll go over to next. Here is room number 2. So first up we have the bathroom right here. So this has a single vanity with the individual toiletries that we have over at Disney World. And then the one bathroom here that has another shower tub combo and another little Mickey light up there, which is cool. And then we're gonna keep turning. We have a closet right behind Amanda. Here's the connecting door into the third bedroom, which does have its own entrance from the hallway as well. But then this is the second largest bedroom. So this one has the TV here off to the side, which is kind of odd. If you're...
You can move it.
Yeah, I'm sure it tilts, but it's a little interesting. Then there's an ice bucket, Keurig, desk. This does have the balcony right here behind the sofa. And then a nice big sofa here with some operating instructions. So that's got to be a pull-out couch. Or a pull-out bed. Is that Walt on it?
Yeah.
Oh, Walt.
He looks very confident.
Interesting. Then we have a chair.
Look at that on the back.
Oh, that's nice. Interesting. And then a view of the parking lot from this window. So we are at the corner of the tower. And then a second king bed in this room that has, of course, the same headboard, which we will show with the lights off after I go into bedroom number 3, which is unique compared to the other two because this one has 2 queen beds instead of 1 king bed. So you have a split bathroom in this one. So we have the sink over here to the left of the entrance if you come in from the hallway, and then the toilet and the shower tub on the right. And then you'd have the 2 beds here with 1 giant headboard that covers both of them. So this is by far the coolest headboard because Sleeping Beauty Castle is stretched out like it actually looks in the park, which is pretty cool. And then of course the TV in front of the beds,
That's more practical.
Which is more practical. And then this room does not have a balcony, but of course you're connected to the other 2 rooms that do have it. There's plenty, oh, and then a huge picture of Walt with Sleeping Beauty Castle again. So this one does not appear to have the Frontier art unless it's in the bathroom, which it probably is. But I like that picture of Walt. Okay, there's the Frontierland art. All right, so we turned off most of the lighting, so Amanda's gonna show us what it sounds like when you turn on the fireworks. Such a fun detail that you won't find at any other Disney resort. Now, unfortunately, with the light off, you can't really see the castle, but of course she's there. But those fireworks are so cool, and they do stay turned on until you turn it off on that center light on the nightstand. So a very, very cool detail in the rooms here. And I love how the carpet kind of pulls it all together with the fireworks now. Hello from downtown Disney. So we decided to come on over here after settling in the room, because I want to go over World Disney to see if there's any exciting stuff to look at. We just went through bag check right by the Disneyland Hotel. They still have the old bag check system where it's all security guards manually checking your stuff.
Oh, there's the corn dog place. Is that where they had the pickle?
Oh, the pickle thing? Yeah, it's from there. And let me just say, I do not miss having that old security system. I love how Disney World has the bagless scanners because they are thorough here, which they should be. It's keeping you safe, but it is time, it's time consuming, to say the least. And there was like 1 person in line in front of us and it took forever. But we've made it, and that's all that matters. So it's always interesting coming through here because like there's Disney Springs vibes, but it's obviously very different and not nearly as big. They have like Sugar Boo, they have Splitsville, they have Royal Sandwich. So there's definitely things that are familiar, but then there's plenty of things that we don't have in Florida. So there's Black Tap, which we've never been to. And yeah, we're just making our way over to World of Disney. It's kind of funny how every time we come to California, there's like more and more stores that have made their way over from Disney Springs. It really kind of does feel like a smaller Disney Springs now, and I'm sure it's just because Disney Springs is beyond successful. And so many stores, I guess, just come on over here too, because why not? But it's funny how it's like the size of our marketplace, because Disney Springs has gotten like out of control. I mean, we go there all the time, and I love how many options there are there, but it's crazy. Definitely crowded here too, though, because of course the theme parks are connected to it. But we have made our way back to World of Disney, which it's always interesting to me how this pretty much looks identical to ours. Of course with a different layout, but feels very much like home. So we've been exploring World of Disney for a little while now. For the most part, everything is the same as what we have over in Florida, but all the Spirit jerseys, of course, say Disneyland instead of Disney World. Now, I did find this Avengers Campus shirt that says Assembled 2021. That's honestly the only thing I see for Avengers Campus, so I'm assuming everything's kind of exclusive to the park. All the Halloween stuff is sold out in my size, just like Florida, so can't get my Spirit jersey. I'm hoping maybe one of the two parks will have it, because I read that the parks have the Halloween merchandise, so I have to keep the hunt going for my Halloween stuff. But I know tomorrow is going to be all about buying my Avengers Campus stuff that I want to get, so we're going to see what happens. But yeah, I mean, for the most part, it's pretty similar. I will say that the Wishables selection is much better here. So we have a lot of old sets that Disney World sold out of a long time ago. We still have Peter Pan, It's a Small World, Jungle Cruise, Aladdin, all kinds of stuff that you cannot find in Florida anymore. We found these two Loungeflies that I don't recall ever seeing. This one's generic Pixar, so I don't recall this being in Florida. Maybe it has been, but then Amanda found this, which I know we don't have because it's Cars Land. And I'm sure Amanda will be owning this in the next day or so, because she's a Cars Land. Oh, you're wearing your sweatshirt.
Oh yes, if you couldn't tell.
You need all the Cars Land merch, but that's a really cool Loungefly. I had no idea they made that.
I love it.
Pretty cool. Well, lots of fun Pixar stuff. We're kind of in the Pixar section, and then we're kind of by the exit because everything's a one-way in and one-way out. That is going to be it for our travel day and our quick little room tour. It's now, I think, 11 o'clock. Which is much later on the East Coast. So I'm actually not feeling like too bad, but it's time for bed.
I'm tired. I didn't sleep on the plane, so
I didn't really either.
I'm ready for bedtime.
We're gonna try to get some boarding groups for Web Slinger at 7 a.m. and then both the parks open at 8, so we will be up early, which is only, I mean, 8 a.m. to 11 o'clock on the East Coast, so it's really not terrible, but it's gonna be a long day. California Adventure is open until 10. Disneyland's open until 11 each day, so they have long hours, which we're not used to. We'll definitely take breaks in the afternoon.
Yeah, that's the good thing about being so close to the parks, is that we can come here and rest and then go back. Yeah,
because you definitely want to take advantage of the morning and night when the crowds are the quietest. Plus, it sounds like it's gonna be a pretty empty weekend because Magic Keys, the new annual pass system, come out next week, so everyone's kind of waiting for that, so hopefully we won't have too bad wait times overall. But that's gonna be it for this video, so definitely give us a like if you enjoyed the room tour and subscribe to our channel to see the rest of the weekend and all of our park days. But it's time for bed.
Yes.
So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time we go to Disney and beyond.